Hey everyone, welcome back to my bread upgrade series where I am exploring the best and easiest way to make all kinds of delicious bread from the scratch. This video is part 3 in our journey from white to whole wheat bread. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 yet, I highly recommend checking them out after this. You will find the links in the description and at the end of this video. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. Start by measuring all your ingredients accurately. Sift both your white and whole wheat flour. The whole wheat flour that I'm using has wheat germ, which makes it hard to sift. What I do is I sift what I can, then use my hands to remove any rough bits. Then I pour the wheat germ back in and give it a good mix. Begin adding water slowly. I like to take my time here. It helps me to monitor how the flour absorbs the water. Whole wheat flour takes longer to absorb moisture, so once I have mixed it, I let the dough rest for about 10 minutes before kneading. Now let's knead. Whole wheat dough needs a bit more effort, so give it some time. Add your butter as you need and keep going until the dough feels smooth and stretchy. It's all about patience. Grease a bowl with some oil and place your dough inside. Use the same oil to coat the top of the dough to prevent sticking. Cover and let it rise until it doubles in size, usually about 1 to 3 hours. Grease the baking pan with butter and dust with flour. After the first rise, punch the dough down gently. Roll it into a rectangle. Then tightly roll it up and pinch the seam shut. Place the seam side down in your baking pan. For the second proofing, we're going to let the dough sit inside the baking pan for another 30 to 45 minutes to rise or to double in size. Then bake your bread in a preheated oven at 325 degrees. After 5 minutes, reduce the temperature to 275 degrees and continue baking for about 45 minutes or until it turns a light golden brown. Once it's done, remove your loaf and let it cool on a rack. So in summary, I needed to add more ingredients. The taste was great. The inside was soft, but the outside is a little bit rough and strong. It's a bit stronger than white bread. So it is perfect for sandwich, and also you can eat it like that. It tastes good. And I like it because it's whole wheat, 50% whole wheat. And just like that, another delicious step towards mastering whole wheat bread. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share it with a friend who loves homemade bread. It tastes so good. Don't forget, links to part 1 and part 2 are in the description and at the end screen. Keep baking, and I will see you in the next one.